You know how good that feels when you click a button, you're still all caffeinated with coffee in the morning, and you're 80% of the way done with getting this thing completed? So I think the way Docmo enhanced it was kind of indirectly pushed us into a better quality product. And I showed them a bit of, hey, this program is going to create this proposal like that once you select some options. I got buy-in very, very fast. So the problem we were experiencing was probably what a lot of people do is when we receive an RFQ, what do? Well, you go back and you find an old proposal. Yep. And you copy that one. You say, well, I'll just start here. Yep. And then you read through it and you go, it doesn't have everything I want. I need to go find another proposal. And you do this process about 5 times until you've built kind of this Frankenstein monster. Like I said, again, when we met the first time, and you were explaining to me how this works, I always appreciated that you were really trying to understand what we were trying to accomplish. All of your questions revolved around, let me understand what you want to do. Can I get you there? And again, that's why I thought Docmo was really valuable. It was so highly customizable for what we wanted to do. The other part that I think is kind of a hidden beauty behind it is Docmo is based in Excel. And because it's in Excel, that makes it pretty accessible, right? A lot of people know Excel. They've heard of that before. They can do a few formulas. They can do a few calculations. So if I need to go in later, let's say there's another section that I decide I need to input. No big deal. I'll just go into Excel, add another couple of line items. Bam, I'm good to go for the next one. Once we established that template and we thought it looked beautiful, then we could get Docmo to start plugging in to all of the individual tags, which I know you talk about in some of your videos on how it exactly works. Now all the tags start getting populated. Now graphics start appearing. Now the tables that we had in these other files and stuff start getting populated. And we've gotten compliments from customers. They look at our proposal and they go, this looks really professional, well done. But now, because I can save so much time on that proposal, I can spend more time going out and meeting customers.